I mean, look at this. Could be the weather be any more grey? Wet, a bit of fog also in there. If I'd like to have this kind of weather, I would go to England again. Howdy people, my name is Sami, welcome to my channel and welcome to watch another episode of this awesome life of Finnish guy who is trying to do cool stuff. Woohoo! Great, awesome, fabulous. And if you haven't checked my website, go to www.samilaitinen.com. Link is in the description. And in Facebook, video@photolaitinen. Go check it out. But in this video is going to happen something quite awesome. Because, oh boy, I just can't... Guys, I'm actually in oh damn, I am in a rush right now because I have to go to the airport because I just bought a plane ticket to New York. Yeah, so believe it or not, but I'm traveling to New York today. The plane is going to leave in a couple of hours, so I'm really in a rush. So here's some pictures from my last visit to New York to get the travel mood going. Look at the pictures and I think I will see you in New York then. So see you in New York. Damn, I'm in a rush. Alright guys, boy I was in a rush, and when you're in a rush, this kind of thing might happen when you are trying to eat your lunch. So this is one kind of problem that you face when you are in a rush and you forget the spoon. You have to eat your things with the fruit bar. So I can say to you now, I'm not actually going to New York, I'm not flying to New York, I wish I was, but I'm not. I'm going to, well, this place is kind of like New York, I'd say, quite similar, so I'm going to this place. Yes, so I'm going to Turku, which is a Finnish city in the west coast of Finland. I'm now on a bus, it's quite a noisy in here, so I'm not going to tell you a lot of things, but oh, here's the tunnel. Awesome. So my cousin invited me over, so I was, yeah, why not, I'll come, and it's going to be an awesome weekend. At least I know that today, it's Friday, we're going to see Darude, Sandstorm, Diggy Diggy Dee, you should know that song, and welcome along. Alright, here I am in Turku. My chauffeur is in here. Hello.
How are you?
I'm good. So here is Eero. He's the major chauffeur of mine and the most important person in Turku, pretty much. And now we are going.
Where we are going?
We're going somewhere. and here we have the bar. It's called the Börs. We are going there today. It's Friday. Darude. Jätti vai? Mitäs nyt sillä? Ai. Now we are in the beautiful area of Samppalinna. It was Samppalinna. And there is a lot of these wooden houses. And they have burned. Not recently, but back in the days. 200 years ago, yeah, roughly. This is cool thing. A modern house needs a modern key. So, look at this. Look at this. Put the key in. Voila! Amazing, amazing. I'm already loving Turku. Hey, and we are in Turku, and my personal chauffeur is also walking with me. But anyways, in this side there is the river, which is called Aura River. Really famous thing in Turku. And just in a second we are gonna take a ferry ride all the way to the other side of the river. I've never went with this ferry because this is actually my first time in Turku, to be honest. Well, I was here, I remember when I was just a kid. I can't remember that much of it, so I'm quite excited. There the ferry comes. And that's the sound of German Audi power. We are heading to the what was the name? It's the market. No, it's God. I don't remember the name now in English, but it's going to be in the screen right now. Bing! Market hall. We're going there. And then we are strolling around Turku and trying to figure out still, is this the asshole of Finland or not? What do you think, Eero? Is this the asshole of Finland or not?
Well, I think that not, but yesterday it sounds like it. It looks like a little bit, but
yeah, we had a small problems entering in the bar yesterday, but all good. Onko se pääsisäkäynti siinä vai? Mennään pääsisäkäyntiin. Fun fact about this awesome city of Turku is that it was actually founded somewhere in 1200s, and this is actually the first capital of Finland. For the people who didn't know that, it was the capital of Finland from 1809 to 1812, and then came Helsinki. Shout out to Helsinki, and it conquered the Finland, and Turku was just forgotten. And this place has also burned many times, but still thriving. And here we are in the market hall of Turku, and we are actually trying to find this bread and souvenirs from Finland. The mandatory thing, the reindeer Tinkerbell. So we are trying to find this bread, this traditional bread that they have in here. It's called archipelago bread, kind of dark bread, really good. One thing that you must eat when you are visiting in Turku. So that was the market hall of Turku, and we found the bread. Just a second. But here is the bread. Pow. So this is the archipelago bread, the best one. At least that's what they say. So if you come to Turku, get this bread, and you're much happier than when you woke up. Now we are in the beautiful market square of Turku, and this is actually quite awesome. It's an ice cream kiosk actually, and it's an old tram. Market square, not that busy right now because it's spring and it's grey as in England, but I reckon that in the summer this is. So Eero, what's the best thing about Turku?
Turku. It's like going to the sea because we are in archipelago or next to archipelago, and a beautiful place to take off from the city and going by some boat or some small vessel to archipelago sea. Of course, city and events and nightlife, but I prefer like archipelago and going to the looker.
Yeah, that sounds good. And for me, I actually haven't done any of that thing because, well, I'm from Helsinki, and Helsinki is the Helsinki is the southern part of Finland. Well, Turku is also in south, but this is the west. And I haven't been here in summer, so there's a really cool river where you can just chill, hang around when it's summer. It's beautiful, so I'd like to do that. Come here again during the summer. And then comes the highlight of the visit in Turku, because we are going to the main church of Turku. I don't know, what's the name in English? Is it Dom Church of Turku. Big church, a lot of bricks and stone. A really good destination to take pictures. Fun fact, the tower is 86 meters high, and it's actually quite impressive. This is a really cool church. I really like to visit churches, and for a photographer they are really nice destinations to go to take pictures because of the big arch that's usually in the churches. It's really cool. They are nice. I like them. And because we are in Turku, how about this one? The worst ice hockey team in Finland. I can't say that in Turku. This kind of thing can only happen in Turku. Whole green staircase. Dripping. Alright, so my visit in Turku is pretty much over. And what I want to say with this video is that travel more. Eventually it doesn't matter where you are going to travel, just travel. I mean, in my opinion, wherever you are living, inside your own home country, there is heaps of places to travel to, like this one. I never really visited in Turku, but now I have, and I really enjoyed this. I was so excited when I came to here that I said to my cousin, "Ooh, I have the same enthusiastic feeling when I'm traveling somewhere in the abroad when I came here." So I was really excited to travel here, look around places. You should travel more, see more places, and worry less where are you going to travel, because wherever you go, it teaches you. So I encourage you to travel more, and by traveling more you get nice pictures from different places. I got some really good pictures from here. I got some good video footage, video coming soon. Yeah, go traveling, go finding new places also inside your home country. And I know that sometimes when you look the prices, you want to go for a week holiday to, let's say, Spain. It's the same price than spend a long weekend in somewhere in Finland. I know, but it's the choices. But anyways, I encourage you to travel more, and especially inside your own home country, so you get familiar to the place where you're living. I want to thank you for watching this video. I'm just now sitting on the banks of the beautiful Aura river, enjoying my last moments in here in Turku. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. You leave comments down below what you think, and I see you in the next one.